Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. I'm having fun with the new song from Charlie Puth, Changes. Alright, nice to have a kind of uplifting song. Love the visuals and his music video as well. Check that one out. Now, let's go into the tutorial, and we're gonna have a setup with capo on fifth, absolute best scenario for us, easiest chords possible. Now, let's go over the chords. So, we're gonna start with C first. C goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the G B next. Okay, so it's basically a G chord, but with the B notes as a bass. So it goes second fret A, open D, open G, third B, and I go with open high E. Next chord is the actual G. Okay. So we have third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Let's move on to the bar chord here in this song. It's the F. So you're going to place your index finger on the first fret. You cross all strings there. And then you need to add third fret on A, third on D, and second on G. We have the D minor 7 as well. So that will be open D, second G, first B, first E. And the last two strings there, the first B and E, I place my index finger as a short little bar to get both of these strings there. And it looks like this. Okay. And then we have the final chord, which is the E minor 7. It's very simple, guys. All strings are open except from this second fret A string. I place my finger there. And that's the E minor 7. Now, let's go into the strumming, and we have a two-part strumming here. If you go to the first chord, the C, I'm going to play one full string around for you, and it sounds like this. Okay, so the first part is down, up, down, down. Slowly. That's the first part, and the second part is just up, down, down. And you have a pause in between first part and second part, so together it's down, up, down, down, up, down, down. A couple of rounds goes like this. Alright, so let's go into the song now with the first verse, and you're gonna play 2 rounds of C, 1 string around, the GB 1, F1, and G1. So 1 string around of C, GB, F, G, you're gonna play for 2 rounds. 1 round goes like this. 2 rounds of that. That's the first verse into the pre-chorus. 30 seconds in, I can still hear you. That's where we are in the lyrics. It's not my sixth sense. It's just the lyric part. All right. So we're gonna play now the D minor 7, 1 string around, then the E minor 7, 1 string around. Then you go back to play the D minor 7, 1 string around, and then you end with just 1 down on F. Just 1 down, and have a break there, a pause, because that builds up for the chorus. So let's play through this as well. D minor, E minor, D minor, and F. And that pause lasts as if you would play the full strumming around, okay? So that's the length of the pause. Now into the first chorus, 40 seconds in. There's been some changes. That's where on the lyrics. And what you're going to play here now is play G, part 1. That's the reason for us having different parts in the strumming. So now you're going to use that. G, part 1, the down, up, down, up, down. And then you go to C and play part 2, up, down, down. And then you go to F and play 1 full string around. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down. That is 1 chord progression round. You're going to play for 4 rounds. Let's do it together. G part 1, C part 2, F 1 full round for a couple rounds. Goes like this. Okay, 2 rounds of that, you're gonna double up. That's the first chorus. Now back into the second round of everything. It's exactly the same as the first round. No changes there. 2 rounds in the verse, 1 round in the pre-chorus, and 4 rounds in the chorus. After that second chorus comes an instrumental part. You're just gonna continue that G part 1, C part 2, and F 1 full round. Just the chorus play for another 2 rounds, and that is the instrumental part. Then after that instrumental part comes the bridge part right after. It's about 2 minutes and 1 second in. That maybe that's mine or something like that. I think he sings. Anyway, that's the lyrics. You're gonna stay with the C chord and play 8 full string rounds. Okay, so 8 full string rounds of the C, and that is the bridge part. Then into the final stages of the song, guys, we have the last chorus. It's played exactly in the same way as the previous choruses, and then into the outro parts, you're gonna continue with that chorus play, where the last round, the fourth and last round, is just 1 down on the following chords for the chorus. And that, my friends, sums it up for Charlie Puth's Changes. Great song, uplifting. I love his outfit as well, back to the 80s or something like that. So anyway, check this song out. Hope to see you soon here on this channel. Till then, play tuned.